Hi everyone, this is Emma. Today I'm going to show you a neat sewing trick so that you can sew trim hands-free. So let's get started. Place the cord or the trim that you're going to sew on under the foot and pull it up right there in that hole. And then the machine will just naturally feed that cord and zigzag right over it. And you won't have to guide it at all. It just goes in automatically. And you can zigzag, and you can go in a straight line, or you can do wavy lines. And there's your quick and easy trick for how to sew on hands-free trim on your finished garments. And there you go. That's how you can sew some easy trim hands-free. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.